again. Davion's 25th night being drunk in a row. And I am his sister Croha. That's me right now. Okay. Now, what we are going to do today, Davion can't hear us, so what we are going to do today is an awesome, totally trick. Okay. Now, let's go. Let's go up here. Let's try to shake it. Wake him up. Okay, that didn't work. Let's pull out my Honda Dandy equipment. Yep, this is it. This is my Honda Dandy equipment. Ready? So, here we go. And here's the beers that he had. 4 of them. Heineken's. Whoa, big time. Okay. See his hands? Nothing inside. Spray some. See the whipped cream. I mean, shaving cream. Let's put some on his face. That looks pretty. Wakey wake, Davion! Oh, is he dead? Let's check it out. Yeah, smack yourself. What a mess he is!
Where am I?
Huh? Oh my lordy, he got me!
Where am I?
Oh, shoot. There he is, he's working out while he's drunk with cream all over his head. You look funny. Davion, come here. It's time for some more. Davion, hold still, Bubba. Get down on your knees. Down on your knees. Down on your knees, all the way down. Okay, give me your buddy. Let's swipe. Okay, let's grab some more. Oh, I guess he wants to be a rock star. Let's grab some more. I guess he's deaf. He must be.
I got that last night. That's what I get when I'm in Michigan. Hog face.
We got you good, didn't we, Davey?
I will never drink together.
I would do that again. I would do it again. I wouldn't do it again.
You didn't really follow our rules. We got a little overboard.
What I got? This sucks. This is bad. Kids, don't do this. Okay?
And your hair. And your hair.
And my 5 little boys, we did it again. This is the other car, and Jackson car. Come here. We are doing good, and we are healthy, and we torture our big liar butt.
I'm drunk and I take advantage of it.
Stop it!
Don't do that, bitch.
I'm doing it, boys.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop. Turn it down. Turn the camera off. Turn it off.
It's not us. It's just torture, boys. Never do this, kids. Never do this. Only us, because we are the torture family.